my channel, Muse Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I cut my hair straight. So I'm gonna show you now how my hair looks like before I cut it. So you have pictures before and after, and you see the difference before and after. Before, I have a really crazy uneven ends on the front and on the back, but after that you will see the difference by yourself. So why I do that? I do that because every time I go to the salon, I end up having like a lot of my hair is just gone, even if it's a small trim, and I say to the hairstylist I need a small trim. I ended up with having a lot of my hair just completely gone, and I'm trying my best to grow my hair long because from 2 to 3 years I had a really short hair, so I really want to grow my hair. So no salons, and I do the trimming, I do the cut only at my home by myself. So when I have like a disaster day cutting my hair, I'm not that sad because I did a disaster, you know what I mean? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the first cut I always do, which is the straight. So I'm gonna cut my hair really straight from the front, and from the back will be just having this slightly rounded curve at the ends. Looks so good. And there's another video will come up later when I cut my hair in layers, because I just go back and forth between these two styles, straight or layers, to take off any kind of like split ends or anything. So in this video will be straight. What you're gonna need for this, of course, you need hair ties, of course, and you're gonna need a completely new scissors only for your hair. So if you have a scissor in your vanity, you're using it only for cutting your hair, it's very good, use it. This is my hair scissor. I use this for like a couple of years and I really love it. It's really sharp and I don't use it for anything else but cutting my hair. If I use this one for cutting anything, even one paper, I will just use it for anything else and buy a new one. So you need to have a completely new scissors only for your hair and keep it away from anything else and use it only for your hair, just like hair scissor. So let's go and see the video and how I cut my hair straight at home. Let's begin our tutorial. As you can see, I'm dividing my hair into 2 equal sections in the middle line, just 2 equal sections to the left and to the right to bring my hair forward in front of me so I can see what I'm doing and cut my hair easily. Now I'm gonna use this hair tie to tie my hair in a ponytail, make sure they are even and sleek, there's no tangles or anything, and use the hair tie to make it like sit in place so it will be easier for me to cut my hair evenly, and do the same thing to the other side. As you can see, I have 2 lovely ponytails ready to be cut. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my finger at first as a guide to cut this crazy, really nice, lovely ends and just cut them. As you can see, there is immediate effect, you can see the difference. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a hair clip just like this and use it as a guide, like as a ruler, to help me cut a really nice clean straight line. And I'm gonna hold it really tight so there's no hair going anywhere, and use it to cut the hair. So as you can see, I'm just going a little bit down because I feel like it's a little bit like a big cut. So as you can see, I'm just using the scissor to go through the edge of the clip and cut any hairs. And as you can see, it's really nice, clean, straight line, so perfect. I love using this hair clip always when I cut one straight line, really helps me to make it perfect like this. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side again. I'm sorry that I went out of camera. I didn't realize that, but I'm just doing the same thing, cutting the really crazy ends with my fingers as a guide, and then I'm gonna use the clip as a guide to cut this really nice crisp straight line. So as you can see here, there's a difference in the length between the left and right parts because I have uneven hair. So I'm gonna use this really baby hair tie and hold the two sides together like this and like tie them together. So now it's the funny part, it's just like a beard or something. So as you can see, there's a really huge difference between the two sides. Now I'm gonna cut the length, the extra length with my fingers, and now I'm gonna use the clip again to use it as a guide. I just this way really hard because the part of the clip is really bulky. It was so difficult to cut my hair, so I decided to flip it. And as you can see, just make sure the hair is even in the clip. There is no loose end, and all the hair is really tight inside the clip, so I can move around and cut this crisp straight line from the clip. As you can see, so perfect. So I'm gonna comb the hair and make sure the line is nice, but I found out that there is a little bit of imperfection, as you can see here. So I'm gonna cut it again, make everything even and nice. And we're done. That's it. That's actually basically it. And as you can see, the hair looks so beautiful, so nice, like fresh, crisp, clean, straight cut. And I love it so much. And this is my hair after I cut it. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. And now you know how to trim or cut your hair at home. Just small tip, if you're gonna cut a few inches from your hair, just do it as you saw in the video, just small trims at a time, so you end up having the perfect length that you want, and at the same time you're not ruining your hair by cutting a few inches all at once and ended up having uneven sides, and then you need to trim even more that you want to make it even. So as you saw, I have one side, this side was a little bit longer than this side, and then begin to even out because I have a problem in my hair growth. I always have the middle part always shorter. If you saw the video, if you saw the trim, you feel like there is a small gap in between, like in the middle. It's not a short hair, it's just like a very fine hair because most of the hair here grow really slowly comparing to the rest of my hair. I always have this problem, I don't know why. But anyway, I just don't want to trim even more than that. This is the perfect trim. And when I do my hairstyle, it's not even obvious. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is what I want. So if you have an even growth of your hair, it's not a problem. But for me, I should have a shorter hair, but I don't want to because I really want to feel my hair still long. You know what I mean? Anyway, so this is the tip that I really wanted to say to you. Don't go crazy and cut a lot of inches, especially if it's your first time doing this, because you will end up crying. I promise, don't do this because I did it once and ended up in a disaster. So like, be patient and cut your hair in small trims. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you like this video, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these links will be in the description box down below. And hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.